we both gonna get fired.
Motherfuckers, you motherfuckers!
What the fuck is this?
You motherfuckers!
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, what is this? Huh? This is whack! I can't get jiggy with this shit! Where's your damn manager, that pink motherfucker? Oh shit! Oh, please! Oh, please! Oh, shit, don't hit me, please! It's John Blaze, I can get jiggy with this.
Get your ass out of here.
I'm just a bitch ass nigga.